Okay, for question 9, we are told that there's a circle that passes through this point A 4, -7, and the center of the circle is at the origin, which is 0, 0. Alright, so in part 1, we were told to write down the equation of the circle. So we can make use of this equation here, alright, to fill it in. So A and B, we know that in general equation of circle, A and B are related to the center of the circle. So if we have 0 and 0, we can fill in 0 and 0 for A and B. Okay, and do we have enough info to get R of the circle? Alright, so in this case, we know the center, and as mentioned in class before, the equation of the circle describes the radius, not radius, the circumference of a circle. So this point A, if the graph passes through this point, that means this point is on the circumference. Okay, on the circumference of our circular graph that the question is describing. So distance from any point of circumference to center will be the radius of the circle. Okay? So we make use of distance. We find the distance. Alright, distance formula. So 4 minus 0 square plus -7 minus 0 square. Alright, so we will be able to get our equation, our radius, and then the equation of the circle. So we get 16 plus 49 square root. Okay, 16 plus 49, we will get 65. So square root of 65 units is our radius. So once we know the radius, we know the coordinates of the center, we can write down, therefore, equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared, because A and B are zeros, so we no need to write down minus 0, equals to, we take radius square. Alright, so square root of 65, if I square it, it will be 65. So our equation is like this. Okay, and in part 2, alright, for question 9 part 2, we have a chord that passes through point A on the circumference of the circle. We do know the coordinates of point A, and our answer in part 1 gives us the equation of the circle, x squared plus y squared equals to 65. Alright, question also provided us with the gradient. Gradient of the chord is m, is 2. What we can find here, in order to find the length of this chord, in order to find the length, we need to know the coordinates of the second point which the chord intersect the circle. So in order to find out the point of intersection, alright, we have to solve for this point of intersection. One way to solve for it is to make use of the equation of this chord, equation of straight line, and then we can calculate together with the equation of circle to get the coordinate, second coordinate of intersection. Alright, so we go about finding the length of this chord, which is y equals to mx plus c. So we know that m equals to 2. So in order to find c, we can make use of point A when x equals to 4, y equals to -7. Y equals to -7. So -7 equals to 2 times 4 plus c. So we know that c equals to -15. So the equation of this straight line is y equals to 2x minus 15. So we can solve simultaneously these two equations. Alright, so one set of answers we get, it will give us point A. And the other set will be this second point of intersection. Alright, I have shifted the diagram away so that we have more space to do our working. So later I may remove the diagram totally. So what we can do here, we know that y squared is 2x minus 15. So we can do substitute equation 2 into 1. So x squared will be equals to x squared plus 2x minus 15 bracket square, okay, gives us 65. Alright, so we can expand. So x squared plus 4x squared minus 60x plus 225 equals to 65. Right, so we have 5x squared minus 60x. So if I shift 65 over, 200 minus 40, 160. Okay, we can divide throughout by 5. 12 plus 3, 32. So in order to solve this, we can do our factorization. X minus 4, x minus 8 equals to 0. Okay, so x equals to 4, x equals to negative 8. This x equals to 4 corresponds to this point A. So we do not need to go ahead and solve for the y value. Alright, you will get negative 7. Okay, what we are interested in is this point, x equals to positive 8. Okay, sorry, positive 8. Okay, what y value we will get when x equals to 8. Alright, we substitute into the equation here. So y will be equals to 2 times 8 minus 15. So we have 16 minus 15, which is 1. So the coordinate of this point here is 8, 1. Okay, 8, 1. We can double check if the gradient is 2. Okay, if we move from this point across, alright, and go up. Okay, negative 7 to 1 is 8 units. 4 to 8 is 4 units. Alright, horizontally, 4 to 8 is 4 units. So 8 divided by 4, yes, we get 2. Okay, so once we got these coordinates, we can find the length of chord using the distance between these 2 points. Okay, length of line segment. So we use 4 plus 8 bracket square plus right, 4 minus 8 bracket square plus negative 7 minus 1 whole thing bracket square. Okay, we get square root of 80. Alright, so in your calculator you will get 8.94427. Okay, so round off to 3SF, you get 8.94 units to 3SF.